Hello, welcome to the Forex AI Signals, your #1 YouTube channel for daily Forex signal. Our Forex quote by Vivek Nair: "Don't make friends with trend, make friends with each candlestick." Trading signal for April 3, 2023. Strategy: price action AI, major confluence, smart money concept, demand and supply zone. Technical analysis: higher time frame, entry opportunity; lower time frame, currency pair. Euro to Japanese yen. Trading bias: sell/short. Entry price: 143.507 for conservative trader, 143.884 for aggressive trader. Stop loss: 144.433. Take profit 1, 142.728. Take profit 2, 142.055. You can add a trailing stop of 25 pips to your trade. However, it's entirely optional. The trade signal is valid till the end of the trading day and powerful for scalpers, intraday or swing traders. It is suitable for your individual or prop firm account by applying proper risk management. Euro to Japanese yen is a currency pair that represents the exchange rate between the euro and the Japanese yen. In this currency pair, the euro is the base currency, and the Japanese yen is the quote currency. This means that €1 can be exchanged for a certain amount of Japanese yen. The exchange rate of euro to Japanese yen is influenced by a variety of factors, including economic and political developments in the Eurozone and Japan, global economic trends, and changes in monetary policy by the European Central Bank and the Bank of Japan. Traders and investors often monitor the euro to Japanese yen exchange rate to gain insights into the strength of the euro and the Japanese yen relative to each other. As with any currency pair, the price of euro to Japanese yen can fluctuate widely over short periods of time, presenting both opportunities and risks for those who trade or invest in it. A euro to Japanese yen sell order means that a trader is looking to sell the euro and buy the Japanese yen in the euro to Japanese yen currency pair. This type of order is also known as a short position. When a trader places a sell order on euro to Japanese yen, they are expecting the euro to weaken against the Japanese yen, or for the Japanese yen to strengthen against the euro. If the price of euro to Japanese yen falls as anticipated, the trader can buy back the euro at a lower price, thus making a profit on the difference between the sell and buy prices. It's important to note that trading always involves risk, and it's important to have a solid understanding of the market and a sound trading strategy before placing any trades. Additionally, traders should always use risk management tools such as stop-loss orders to limit their exposure to potential losses. This content is for informational purposes only. You should not construe any such information or other material as investment, financial advice. Nothing contained on our video constitutes a solicitation, recommendation, endorsement, or offer to buy or sell any financial instrument. We expressly recommend that you seek advice from a professional. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the YouTube channel for more daily Forex signals latest by 9 p.m. EST. Kindly join our free Telegram channel from the description. See you tomorrow. Enjoy your pips.